For those of you who seems not to understand the movie, Osodiran is the origin of Koleoso. Before the legend of Koleoso was feared, before the secret of the spirit world were revealed, there was a beginning filled with darkness, mystery, and a truth that only the dead
ilé ayé ibori lórí dé ìjà gbogbo ìjìkìjà ayọ̀ fẹ́ fojú di.
Èmi àti ẹnìkan la dìjọ jókòó síbí lásìgbà tó ti dé. Wo ẹgbẹ́ rẹ kó wọ̀ tún kó wò sí.
The movie begins with a powerful and mysterious family, a family so feared and respectful. Respected, that no one dares to challenge them. Their power is not ordinary. Their knowledge goes beyond the world of the king living, because those living people do something unbelievable. They travel between worlds while normal human lives their daily lives. This powerful family secretly moves between the world of the living and the world of spirit, and in the hidden university known only to special beings. They teach strange students who are not entirely human, but there is a rule. Only those who possess special spiritual sight can see what truly happened in the mysterious school. To ordinary people, it looked like a normal university, but to those who are gifted, it is a classroom for spirits. Among the students is a young woman who began to notice something is terribly wrong. Every time she entered the class, things felt strange. The environment felt cold. The students behave differently, and nothing seems to make sense. At first, she thinks she's losing her mind, so she decided to tell her mother about the strange thing happening in the university. But the deeper she investigates, the more frightening the truth becomes. Because the people around her are not whom she thinks they are. Many of the students in that classroom are not alive. They are spirits. So that still exists between two worlds. Confused and desperate for answer, the young woman finally confronts one of the professors in the strange university, and that is when the most shocking truth is revealed. The professor looks at her calmly and tells her something that changes everything. She's not alive. She's dead a long time ago. The girl who believed she was living a normal life is actually one of the spirits attending the mysterious school. The realization hits like thunder. Oh my God! Everything she thought was reality was only a shadow of the truth. Osodiran, the origin of Koleoso, is a chilling story of power, destiny, and the timeline between life and death. Because sometimes the most terrifying discovery is not the spirit around you, it is realizing that you might already be one of them. If you enjoy this movie recap, make sure you like this movie. Please, this video, subscribe to my channel and drop a comment telling me the next Nollywood movie you want me to explain, because trust me, the next story might be even dark.